Every time we work with Dupli-Color products, the idea is to restore, restyle, and protect all the different pieces and parts of our vehicle and keep them looking good and make them last for a long time. So here is this engine right here. This belongs to a buddy of ours, and he brought it over to us because he saw what we did with our Colorado project truck. And he was like, how much horsepower did you guys add? The secret is all we did was we added a few pops of color here and there. We didn't really add any horsepower. So what we wanted to do today was do a little work on this. He said, why don't you add some of that visual horsepower to my engine? So we're gonna do that for him. And we're gonna do that using Dupli-Color products. Mainly today, we're gonna use the engine enamel and Metalcast. And when this is done, it's gonna look awesome. We've got a great plan for this. The first part that we wanted to concentrate on was the block. So we got the intake, picked that up, and just moved it off to the side for now. And then we wanted to get everything good and clean. And we did that with the prep spray. And this is the non-foaming prep spray. It's solvent-based. So what that's gonna do is get in there, and that's really gonna help us just knock that old grease and grime and get that loose. That way we can get everything good and clean. Next thing we wanted to do was plug up all of the ports and openings that we didn't want to get anything into. So went over to the 3D printer, made up these little guys right here. Boom, nicely done. They fit in there nice, and they plug up the openings and the areas where the gaskets are going to go, because you don't want to get any paint on that too. We laid that primer on in about 2 coats, kind of lighter coats, and then we added a medium third coat to that and just got it all ready to go for the paint. So when it comes to applying the paint, you want to go with about 2 or 3 different coats, right? And just basically do it until you get the coverage that you want. I told you this is gonna look good. It's already looking good, and yet there's still so much more to come. But let's talk about the products that we're using first, because we have got the primer and we have got the engine enamel paint, and they both are made with ceramic. So that's gonna give you durability. It's gonna give you heat resistance up to 500 degrees intermittently. And it's also going to resist any kind of like bubbling or chipping or peeling off. You're not gonna have to worry about that. And the coolest part about the engine enamel paint is this comes in 34 different colors. So we're gonna lay down some Metalcast Gold next, and that's gonna complete our look. That's why we're so excited. But keep in mind, all the Metalcast colors are designed to work over chrome or polished metal, but you're not always in a situation where you have that as an option. And we certainly didn't have it on the valve covers. Those weren't polished. The intake was black, so we had to do something, right? Well, Metalcast has what's known as bright metal coat, and we use that as our base coat on the valve covers and the intake, and now, as you can see, it looks like a bright metal coat, which is exactly how they named the product, right? And upon this, we can lay in the Metalcast Gold, and that will give us the finish that we are looking for. I told you guys we had cool plans for this, and boom, here it is. I absolutely love this. I couldn't be any happier. I get a certain smoky and the bandit kind of feel, kind of a vibe when I look at this. If you want to see any of the other color options available in Metalcast, engine enamel, or any other Dupli-Color products, all you've got to do is head to the Dupli-Color website.